Start with the proof. This is not the older community desktop wrapper people were confused about. This is Nous Research announcing Hermes Desktop from the official Nous account, with a public preview and a real download page. The trailer ends with the simplest promise: Hermes Desktop, download today. That matters because Hermes already had the hard parts: tools, memory, skills, terminal work, and messaging. The missing piece was a native surface that regular people could actually live in. So this video is not a generic Hermes overview. We are checking what the official launch proves, what the app actually shows, and what you should verify before installing it. The launch post says Hermes Desktop is everything people love about Hermes, now native on the machine. The official desktop README backs that up. It calls Hermes Desktop the native desktop app for Hermes Agent, with the same agent, same skills, same memory, same CLI and gateway history, just inside a polished window. That is the key distinction. The desktop app is not a replacement for Hermes Agent. It is a new front door. You still get the agentic backend, but now the chat, tool activity, files, settings, providers, and updates have a visual home instead of living only in terminal commands and config files. Now look at what the trailer actually shows. The first real task is meta in a good way. Hermes is asked to pull highlights from recent commits and write release notes for the desktop launch itself. Inside the app, the answer calls out a native desktop app, streaming chat with inline tool cards, reasoning disclosures, a theme engine, a command palette, and one-click updates. Then the app turns that into launch copy, same Hermes Agent, same terminal power, now with a window. This is the strongest proof beat because the product is not just showing a pretty landing page. It is showing the agent doing the work inside the new shell. The middle of the trailer is where the desktop idea gets clearer. Hermes generates an inline pixel art portrait, then the app shows conversation actions like pin, copy ID, export, rename, and delete. Later, a right-side pane shows files and a terminal built into the same workspace. That is the practical shift. When an agent writes code, edits files, runs commands, generates images, or creates artifacts, a terminal alone becomes cramped. A native window can keep the proof visible while the conversation continues. The risk is still real. A pretty shell does not make bad automation safe. But it does make the real agent state easier to inspect. The tool screen is the part one would pause on if I were installing this. The trailer shows browser, files, image, memory, shell, and web as visible tool sets, with states like enabled, disabled, configured, and needs key. That matches why Hermes is interesting in the first place. It is not a chatbot with a few buttons. It is a tool-heavy agent that can search, browse, read files, run shell commands, remember workflows, and delegate work. The desktop app makes those switches visible. Beginners need that. Power users need it too, because tool sprawl is where agent setups get messy fast. The official install story is also more concrete now. The desktop page shows macOS, Windows, and Linux routes. The install docs say desktop build ship signed and notarized macOS artifacts and Windows installers with checksum files. The desktop README also gives the Hermes first route: install with a one-line script and include desktop, or, if you already have the Hermes CLI, run Hermes Desktop. On Windows, the docs say the installer handles Python, Node, ripgrep, ffmpeg, and a portable git bash without admin rights. That is the setup detail people usually need because open source is not the same thing as zero setup. There is one repeat risk here. Hermes Desktop has already had YouTube coverage, and this channel already had a setup reality check around earlier desktop confusion. The reason this new source is still worth covering is officialness. The new launch comes from Nous Research. The desktop app lives inside the official Nous Research Hermes Agent repo under Apps Desktop, and the official site now has platform downloads and public preview language. So the right video is not another breathless tour. The useful version is, here is what is official now, here is what the trailer proves, and here are the install boundaries you should check before trusting it. Before you install, check 4 things. First, confirm you are on the official Nous Research Hermes Agent repo or the official Hermes Agent desktop page. Second, decide whether you want the desktop installer or the CLI route with Hermes Desktop. Third, know where Hermes Home lives, because the desktop app and CLI share config, sessions, skills, and logs. Fourth, if the app fails to boot, check the desktop log before guessing. The final takeaway is simple. Hermes Desktop makes Hermes feel less like a terminal-only power tool and more like a native agent workspace. The follow-up video should be a clean install from zero, with the first likely failure and the fix.